Don't wake the past, let it sleep where it lies, keep it where it is. It's my story, I don't wanna share. Take my silence, please be fair. You keep digging deep, you won't compromise. It's becoming sickness in your eyes. I stayed quiet, but you won't let it die. I beg you, forgive me for all you see. I'm not perfect, don't push me away. I want you to stay with me. I won't do it again. I swear I won't be the same. All I'm asking of you is to be kept close to your heart. So we played a game that none can hold. The weight of words, the weight of tears, we left unnamed, we wasted years. Then emptiness comes, we come back close with sweet words to warm us both. But lying comes easy when jealousy starts to grow. I beg you, forgive me. Push me away. I want you to stay with me. I won't do it again. I swear I won't be the same. All I'm asking of you is to be kept close to your heart. Forgive me for all you see. I'm not perfect, don't push me away. I want you to stay with me. I won't do it again. I swear I won't be the same. All I'm asking of you is to be kept close to your heart. To be kept close to your heart. All I'm asking of you is to be kept close.